My name is Bryan Rupp, and I joined Mae Ives' program about a year ago, and I was already running my own business as a photographer and videographer, but I was really wanting to branch into the marketing side of things and specifically paid advertising. And I already had some relationships with clients, but the thing that really brought me into the program is I didn't want to risk those relationships. I didn't want to bring on a new product and not be able to perform for my clients, or for me, I just didn't want to feel like I didn't know what I was doing. That's a really important thing to me. So I joined Sarah's program, and the program is extremely thorough and very quality. And one of the most important pieces for me was the support piece. So knowing that I have Sarah's support when I'm onboarding clients, when I'm setting up their campaigns, when I'm looking at the metrics, that I can get on calls with her and show her exactly what I'm seeing and get her feedback, has been invaluable to me. That was the thing that really put me over the top on joining the program. And it's the thing that's made all the difference for me as far as providing paid advertising for my clients, because I have the confidence of knowing that I'm backed by somebody else who really knows this stuff. And I feel like I have really learned it over this first year, and I've more than doubled the money that I paid for the course in income for my business. And the confidence that I have to offer this now is invaluable to me. I know it would have taken a long time to get there on my own. And with Sarah's support, I was able to speed that process up. And I didn't take the route of running ads to get my own clients. I used local outreach and the network that I already had. And I've been able to bring on clients without having to spend any money on advertising myself that way. So I can't recommend the program and Sarah herself highly enough. The program is great. Sarah is awesome. And it has helped me so much with moving my business into another area to provide more valuable services to my clients.